Which 3D design powerhouse reigns supreme? Planner 5D or Sketchup? Let's dive in. First, Planner 5D. It's known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Start by outlining your room's dimensions. Just click and drag to create walls. Next, furnish your space. Browse their extensive catalog and easily drop in furniture, decor, and even landscaping. Rotate and resize items with simple controls. Instantly switch between 2D and 3D views to visualize your design from every angle. Planner 5D is fantastic for quick and easy home design projects. Now, let's move to Sketchup, the champion of detailed design. Begin by creating basic shapes using lines and drawing tools. Sketchup's precision is unmatched. The push-pull tool is your best friend. Easily transform 2D shapes into 3D objects. Sketchup allows for intricate customization. Import custom models and apply realistic textures to elevate your design. Sketchup offers unparalleled control and detail, perfect for professionals and ambitious hobbyists. Planner 5D excels in speed and simplicity, while Sketchup unlocks professional-grade detail and customization. The best tool truly depends on your design goals and skill level.